Come test drive this 2007 Mazda 6. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback is still under 75,000 kilometers. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All of the premium features expected of a Mazda are offered, including one-touch window functionality, front fog lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Mazda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.